Paying your mortgage with your credit card is pretty easy thing to do today. I'm going to show you how you guys can pay your mortgage with your credit card. So you guys cannot pay mortgage with your credit card. Instead, you guys can use gift cards to pay for mortgage. Now, a lot of mortgage website does not accept credit cards or debit cards directly, but they do accept the gift cards. So what do we have to do? You just have to go to Google and type in Visa gift cards. And after that, you have to go to any of the website which are offering Visa gift cards. You just have to buy any of the gift cards using your credit card. Yes, you can buy the gift cards using your credit cards, and you can use that gift cards to pay for your mortgage. So indirectly, you are using your credit card to pay for your mortgage. You are just using gift cards as a source of medium. So that's pretty much it. That's what you guys can do. Hope you guys find this video helpful.